She's got some groove, Drew.
Grooving, Ambra, grooving.
Push it again. Can you see the white button by the bottom of the snowman? Get him to wiggle. Here, Mom, let her do it.
Ambra, you're not too little.
I'll show you. Come see. Yeah, come on. See, look. You see that button? Yeah. You want to push it?
You're not too little.
You can do it.
You're not.
Too little. Okay.
Thanks, Michael. Did you get enough for everybody? Oh, the stool works. The little brown stool.